I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Cadillac Escalade with a key. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition cylinder located on the steering column. Next, turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key to the start position and hold it for a moment. As soon as the engine roars to life, release the key and it will spring back to the on position, ready for your drive. For added convenience, your Escalade features a remote start function. To use it, first make sure all vehicle doors are securely closed and locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, which often looks like a circular arrow, for about 4 seconds. The engine will then start and the climate control system will activate, running for a period of 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. What if your key fob battery is low or completely dead? Don't worry, you can still start your Escalade. If you see a "No Remote Detected" message, locate the backup key fob slot. This slot is typically found in the center console storage area, sometimes beneath a mat. Place your key fob directly into this slot. This allows the vehicle to read the key's transponder directly, enabling you to start the engine as usual by pressing the start button. Here are a few important tips for starting your Cadillac Escalade. Always confirm the transmission is in park before attempting to start the engine, as a safety measure. Pay attention to any warning lights that appear on your dashboard after starting, addressing them promptly. It's also a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid unexpected issues. Keeping a spare key fob handy can be a real lifesaver too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.